At BMW, there's a strong belief that the best way to predict the future is to create it. And just think of the most powerful letter in the world. BMW M set the standards for dynamic driving. BMW I is not only beautiful, but it also stands for sustainability. And now, with this car, BMW creates the future of luxury. Here it is, the all-new BMW 7 Series. And although I can't show you the design right now, I can show you some of the features, some of which you've never seen before. Like this feature, for instance. It's the new remote control parking function. Pull in and out, the car does it all for you. No need to sit inside anymore. To activate it, all you need is the key. Well, forget everything you know about keys. As a driver of the all-new BMW 7 Series, you get the BMW display key. Now, this is a remote control and LCD control screen in one. It operates various functions and supplies you with useful information. This is just one example of many for the new way of interaction between the driver and the car. And BMW will be first in class to offer gesture command, as well as a navigation with a touchscreen for improved operating. Also, an all-new level of voice command. BMW was the first car manufacturer to use carbon fiber in production cars, and is also using this intelligent lightweight material in all new BMW 7 Series vehicles. We're here at the BMW Plandingotting in Germany, near Munich. Maybe you can tell us a bit more about carbon fiber used in the BMW 7 Series.
BMW is innovation leader when it comes to carbon within automotive industry. We transferred the technology from BMW i to the BMW core brand now. Carbon is a very innovative material. It's light and it's rigid. We strengthened the body, for example, the roof reinforcement, and it's a part of our construction strategy. First of all, it feels BMW-like when driving it. It doesn't feel like a big car. And on top of that, it lowers the weight of the car and increases efficiency.
Carbon fiber is light yet rigid. It saves up to 50% of weight over conventional materials, while on the other hand, improves rigidity. Now, as we heard, the use of carbon fiber goes hand in hand with driving dynamics. And the BMW 7 Series has always been the most dynamic car in its segment. Now, with the new generation model, the sense of comfort and well-being excels just as much. The all-new BMW 7 Series combines comfort and driving dynamics in a special way and is everything you expect, setting exceptional standards. Now you just hang in there. The wait is almost over.
This is the new addition to the 7 Series, BMW's flagship line of luxury vehicles. At the moment, these luxurious limousines are still hidden from view, but soon journalists from all over the world will converge at the Mérimat test track in the south of France to test drive them and experience their wide range of pioneering innovations.
Lightweight for the 7 Series is a very important item. We lowered the weight of the whole complete car up to 130 kilograms, and the largest contribution is about 40 kilograms, the body in white.
In the 7 Series, BMW has made more extensive use than ever before of a combination of these three materials: carbon fiber reinforced plastics, aluminum, and steel. For example, CFRP is built into the steel used for the B column, and a kind of CFRP pipe is an integral part of the roofline.
This is a highly innovative profile beginning at the A pillar, over the B pillar, up to the C pillar. And it's one part.
Thanks to all these measures, the luxury limousine has a lower center of gravity. As a result, the car feels and drives more like a smaller model in terms of handling and performance. Adaptive driving mode.
Adaptive means that
depending on your driving style and depending on where you are, the car will set up the car as best as possible. Therefore, we use signals from the steering. Further, we know, due to the GPS system, the exact position of the car.
Drivers can also choose from 3 driving modes: Comfort, Comfort Plus, and Sport. Another innovation in the new 7 Series model is BMW's Connected Drive.
We have this little room here which is covered by a camera in the roof line, and in this area I can just turn my finger and, for example, turn up the volume or turn the volume back down in order as a global gesture that will work on any screen that I see on my display. Also, we have included gestures which are context sensitive. So if I have an incoming call, which I will simulate now here, and I have somebody calling, I can actually accept that call by just pinching in the air and taking the call. Similarly, we can, once we get the call and we say, no, it's not time to talk to the person calling, I want him to talk to my voicemail, I can actually just decline the call. So we have very intuitive, very simple gestures that help us make our life in the car easier.
The new 7 Series is the world's first mass-produced car that can park itself without a driver. The remote parking option makes it possible to take advantage of very narrow parking spaces. This feature is also activated by the driver using the newly developed BMW display key. The new generation of the 7 Series is packed full of innovative features of all kinds for added practicality as well as enhanced comfort. In terms of sporty handling and driving performance, this luxury limousine sets new standards for sheer driving pleasure while preserving the level of comfort drivers expect from a top-line BMW.
7 Series. Up to 130 kilograms lighter than its predecessor, thanks to BMW efficient lightweight. Allowing the new generation to combine efficiency with sporty dynamics in a unique way, with a carbon core. A key element in the lightweight design concept developed for the new BMW 7 Series is the intelligent interplay of different materials. The smart combination of carbon fiber, steel, and aluminium reduces the weight of the body shell by 40 kilograms. The new BMW 7 Series is the first model in its segment to incorporate carbon fiber components manufactured on an industrial scale. The use of carbon fiber optimizes the body's properties and is particularly effective for components that have to withstand high directional forces. Its inherent strength allows CFRP to meet extremely stringent safety requirements. Around the B-pillar, for example. In a collision, the B-pillar does not deform along the carbon fiber strengthening element. Instead, the interplay of CFRP and steel diverts the impact forces. But carbon fiber is just one of the materials at work. Lowering the car's weight by up to 130 kilograms required the application of lightweight design techniques across all components. Innovative lightweight design in the new BMW 7 Series enhances both comfort and driving dynamics. The key elements here are a low center of gravity, optimized axle load distribution, agile handling, and improved acoustics. Underpinning them all is the rigorous application of a whole vehicle approach. A good example are the new design all-aluminum doors. Though the material is the same as before, they now weigh 10% less, improve the interior acoustics, and also meet the highest safety standards. The skillful use of insulation around the engine ensures quiet and pleasant onboard acoustics. Engine and transmission-mounted encapsulation also reduces weight. Across-the-board optimization of components and details leads to yet further improvements in weight and driving dynamics. A systematic reduction in the weight of unsprung masses, such as the wheels, wheel bearings, wheel carriers, brakes, and control arms by 15% in total makes for enhanced ride comfort. Lightweight design and sustainability go hand in hand at BMW. Thanks to its efficient dynamics program, BMW already leads the way. Resources are also saved in the manufacture of the lightweight components. Carbon fiber production, for instance, uses 100% renewable energy. 3 of the standard-fitted carbon fiber components, moreover, are made from recycled materials. The philosophy of intelligent, lightweight design pervades the entire architecture of the car and encompasses its every element, bringing together the virtues of luxury, comfort, sportiness, and efficiency in the new BMW 7 Series.
I drive with actual speed. My car tells me there is a speed limit coming up. I accept that speed limit and the car decelerates right on the spot. And now I reach the right speed at the sign.